Join me in Pandora for a ride on Navi River Journey. Come on, everybody. Navi River Journey is an exceptionally themed dark ride in Disney's Animal Kingdom in the land of Avatar, or Pandora. The ride is a slow-moving boat ride that takes you through one of the rivers in Pandora. Here you are able to see many of the unique creatures that inhabit this magnificent land. The ride uses both practical sets and screens to set up this magnificent-looking bioluminescent area. Everywhere you look, you see many interesting, unique creatures. Here in the foreground, you can see some centipede-looking creatures, along with the waterfall and the Navi on their way to visit the Shaman of Song. The Shaman of Song is one of the most advanced animatronics in all of the Disney parks. It reportedly has over 51 different unique movements, stands over 10 feet tall, and costs a reported $23 million. While Navi River Journey is not as exciting as Flight of Passage, it is a beautiful, relaxing, family dark ride that I would highly recommend when you are visiting Disney's Animal Kingdom. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe. It lets YouTube know that you are enjoying the content.